of your front curtains, always insert the valance, zippered valance, into your track. It can be helpful to have a second person assist, but you can pull it through by yourself. Once it's inserted, if your valance came with a snap, always attach that. Go to the other side and snap the other side. That way you're keeping your valance centered and your curtains even. One tip when attaching your curtains to your valance: keep your fingers between the Velcro of the curtain and the valance. It'll make it much easier to start the zippers. When installing your front curtains, begin with the center section and then work your way outward. When starting the zippers, never completely zip all of them until you have each individual curtain attached. Then you can finish. To begin the snap process of your curtains, first find the center of the windshield with a tape measure. If you have access to a white grease pencil, that's preferable to use as it will wipe off. Once you've located center, align your curtain. The center of that, you want to use your grease pencil to mark the center of the screw stud that is already in your windshield onto the canvas. Mark approximately 3 to 4 of these off center. Then you can come back with the snap tool and install those. Now that you have all the snap locations marked on your curtains, you can start the install process by taking the socket portion, placing it onto the snap tool die until you hear it snap in place. And the upper snap head goes into the upper die. Place that over the white mark you made in the canvas. Squeeze the tool together until it clicks, and then you have a release lever. Snap is now installed. Now that you have all your snaps properly crimped into the curtain, in order to attach them to the stud, it's normally easier to use your thumb, place the snap on an angle at the back edge of the stud, and roll it down to snap. Now that all your curtains are snapped in place, the last detail is going back and making sure all the Velcro closures are sealed down smooth.